Here's what we're gonna need for this next mask necklace. First step is you're gonna take your stringing wire, and then we'll find a crimp bead, which they're really small. This is the best method because it won't break as easily as like the string or the ribbon one. Those could come undone, but this one's a little bit more secure because it doesn't stretch. So I'm gonna do that again here, and I want it to be tight on there, okay? And then I'll take my, this is a bead crimper. That's what I'm going to use for this step. So if you look at it, it's got two things going on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and once you crimp the bead, you can go ahead and clean it up. You can take scissors and just cut off the extra. And then you're ready to string your beads. These are polymer clay beads that I made many years ago. They are a little bit heavy. The plastic ones like these are light, but I like all the colors, so I'm going to use a few of these, and I will be using some of these seed beads. They're really pretty in between. So, let's see how that turns out. I try not to make the necklaces too long so that they're not sitting too far down. Putting my crimp bead in first, and then I will take the jump ring and place that in there. And then this one's a little bit different because I'm going to put this through, but it's actually going through the bead. The extra, the tail is going through the bead. So I'm pulling, and then I want it to be snug. Okay. And then I will crimp here, get it like this. Put these on. I think that the bigger these are, the easier it is, but so I am opening up my jump rings to put on these clasps. And I'll take my mask and attach it. And that's it.